They seem to have escaped. It looks like they're down here. Okay, I can see them. Okay, one's coming towards me. Maybe they're initiating their plan. Probably not though. All 4 of them huddled up, trying to find a good meeting spot. Looks like they're making back to HQ. Okay, looks like Tweetie has been separated from the group and is now right there. All right, light blue is Tweetie. Dark blue is Birdie. Oh shoot, they're coming towards me. Oh, okay. I will put on the birds. As you can see, they're right there. All 4. One's inside. I think 3 of them are outside. Looks like they're all talking through. Coco has just laid it out. That one right here. And then did you get on? That one's Coco. Oh, they're all coming towards me. They tried to initiate their plan or not. Looks like their plan is backfiring. Alright. Come on. Right there are 3 of them. Where's the 4th? He's right there. I can see its tail. Oh, it's okay. They're trying to block him. But no, gotta go save them.